Last time I think I speak in Hindi, so now I speak in English. Lady came to store. She says she's a nature lover. She have 5 kids. Another lady came. She animal lover. I say the jacket you wearing, where it came from, fur, and how many animals killed for fur last year? 100 million. Out of that, 12 million were dogs. You said you dog lover. Most of people, 99.9% are dust on the wall. Air comes, they disappear. Human mane chetna, consciousness. But we never born. Like Benjamin Franklin says. Most people die at the age of 25, get buried at the age of 75. We don't even know what we're talking about. And we talk about love. Consciousness separates us from animals. But we are the biggest animals. Dust on the wall, disappear. Never born. Too much Fox News, too much hip hop. Human money understanding, chetna, bodh. Chalo.